Yoga teacher trainees often email and call asking, how does yoga certification work? Meaning, what about Yoga Alliance? What about American Council on Exercise? What about all these different accreditation and registration boards that are out there? The reality is right now, yoga is not very well regulated. There are places where you can register, like Yoga Alliances and American Council on Exercise, but there isn't a lot of industry oversight like there is in things like chiropractic care and massage therapy. The good news is this is coming, and it's coming in some regions in a state and province level. In some places, I think it'll actually happen on a countrywide level. It's happening here where we are in Spain. It's happening in India, North America. It's rolling out slowly, and it's complicated because how do you quantify and how do you measure what a quality yoga class is? How do you accredit that? It's a complicated decision to make. But I'm really excited about it because when it comes, it'll raise the standards for our entire industry. Right now, unfortunately, people will go to some random yoga course in India where they eat beans and they sing songs and they get a certificate. And then someone else will go to an amazing course in San Francisco and spend 2 years and they know the body inside and out and they get that same little piece of paper. But obviously, the credentials are very, very different. So that's a long answer to tell you right now, accreditation is pretty weak. The good news is the yoga alliances of the world, the organizations, American Council on Exercise, everybody knows this is a problem and they're all working on it. I'm talking to them, they're talking to other teachers, and I think all of it will improve. Our job as yoga teacher trainees and yoga teachers is to simply keep asking for better and more regulation. The industry as a whole is fighting regulation because people don't want to up-level. My suggestion is we should embrace regulation and try to really raise the standards of yoga teaching around the world.